Hey everyone, welcome to the video, and in this video we actually have a big box, and let's see what we got. We got a boutique cat litter box. This is a cat litter box. Let's take it out of this thing. That was a pretty big box. And let's open this one up. We need something to cut it with. For our cat, I got one litter box. And that was like when we got him home. Literally the first day, you know. So, never got an upgrade or anything like that. So here we go. We got a new one. This is a little bit bigger than what we got. And not sure about the functionality and what it has, but let me show you guys exactly what this is. Now this is available on Amazon, so if you guys want, you can, check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's go a little bit more down. There we go. We can see everything here. Now this is wrapped in bubble wraps here. Got to open another tape up here. All right. There we go. Now this thing is, I believe it's stainless steel. This thing is taped up. It doesn't shake in the box. So let's see what we have here. So we've got this thing here. It's like a screen looking thing. Then we got this. Don't know what this, this is just some 3M tape. These are probably gonna go on the bottom. This will keep it seated at where it is. We got a user manual here. This is basically the step, so there's an additional spot there where the cat would step onto, and then it would collect there, so it's not it's not a mess, and it's not carried everywhere with the cat. This is a shifter, so there's a casing to this. You can put it away just like this. Nice handle here. So after you're done with your business, just put it back in here. Cool. This is the device itself. This is what it looks like. So it would go like this. This would be the top, right? And is that it? Yep, I guess that's it. Yep. So there's no, it's not enclosed. That could be an issue. Not sure yet, but I will let you guys know in the description if that is an issue, but we'll try this out basically first. And another issue is, usually we have a big shifter. The one we currently have, we have a big shifter on the bottom, so we could separate everything all at once. Actually, my mom doesn't really use that actually, so I don't think it's that necessary, but yeah, it's covered well, and I really like how there's a step here, that's gonna really help with keeping things in a spot. And it goes just like that. This is kind of what it looks like, and these would go on the bottom, keeping it in place. And you could keep this thing somewhere nearby. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.